start by taking a minute to look at the data files. They contain sales data of the electronic manufacturer Van Arstel and that of its competitors. We will be analysing data from 7 different countries that span almost 10 years. The US sales data is a CSV file located in the US sales folder. Looking inside the file, it consists of 5 columns: product ID, date, zip, units and revenue, and there are over 4 million rows of data. The sales of other countries is stored in another folder called International Sales, and each country's sales is stored within its own separate CSV file. Notice that they contain the same columns as the USA sales plus an additional country column. This example shows the Australia file. In the US sales folder there is also an Excel workbook called BI Dimensions. This contains data for product, manufacturer and location. The product sheet contains a distinct list of electronic product names, including category, price, manufacturer ID and a unique product ID. Notice that the category column contains numerous empty cells. On this particular sheet there is a named table called product_table that has been set here. The next tab is a manufacturer sheet, and this data is laid out in a different way. The data is presented across the sheet with no headers, several blank rows and a note in row 7. The geo sheet has the location information. The first few rows have what look like export details, and the actual data starts on row 4. It's now time to import this data, so let's head over to our Power BI application and we'll continue in the next video. See you shortly.